Hi friends, your business needs a perfect website, and using WordPress and a suitable WordPress theme, you can really create stunning websites in no time. In this video, I have a creative and multi-purpose WordPress theme through which you can create any kind of website. I mean, it is going to suit any business, and I can show you these are some pre-made websites that has been used using the same theme that we are going to overview in this video. And this is Crocal WordPress theme. It is a responsive multi-purpose WordPress theme. So if you are looking for a premium one-click solution for any website, this is the video you are watching, correct video, and this is the theme you can choose that. But yes, before choosing the theme, you have to understand its complete features and functionality so that you may actually create a desired website that you want for your business. The theme Crocal that we are going to overview in this video, we are going to make a demo website and we will overview the installation process and all in this video itself. So remain with me until the end of this video, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe this channel and join the I Create program. It is actually a wonderful program for WordPress website through which you can create wonderful website with the help of WordPress mentors. So just follow the link given in the description. All description you'll get in this video. All details you'll get in the description. Okay, so this is Crocal pre-made websites, and we are going to create a website using this theme. And Crocal is a super user-friendly yet super powerful multi-purpose WordPress theme, and it came into existence in 2019, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done time to time. It has been developed by Ituminus. Okay, so complicated name for me, but they are the original developer of this theme, and they are elite author at the Envato market, that is of themeforest.net, and you can buy the theme by following the link in the description. But yes, as I said, you need to understand its complete features. It has got 1820 sales as on date, and it is not a very old theme. It has got wonderful number of sales, and it got 5-star reviews, 4.97. It is really great so to have such review. So it is being liked by other users as well. So we will preview what is actually laying inside this theme. So we are going to install this theme. To install a theme, you need a WordPress optimized hosting, and this is the WordPress optimized hosting that you can avail through WP theme website. And you can easily install WordPress core using this option, WordPress manager by Softaculous. I have already installed the WordPress core. This is WordPress core installation, and it is running 2023 WordPress default theme on the latest version of WordPress. And I'll show you the theme. In the theme pack, you'll get this installable file. This is installable file, and the child theme file, and licensing, and the documented. So we are going to use this crocal.zip for our installation purpose. And to install the theme, what we have to do, we can go in the appearance section of WordPress and click on add new theme, and further upload theme, choose file, and here we have to select the installable file, that is crocal.zip. So it is showing around 25 MB in size. So I'll prefer to upload this theme directly to the file manager of relevant domain. So I can show you, this is the file manager. We have all the access at our hosting, so we can take this advantage to uploading the theme file directly to WP themes files. So I'll show you, this is the domain and WP content and further themes folder, and here we can drop the file. So I'll upload the file here, and I believe crocal.zip is here. So it is showing 24 MB inside now. And once the progress bar turns green, it hardly takes 15 seconds in uploading the theme through this option. And once the progress bar turns green, we can simply go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction will bring this folder called Crocal, and in the Crocal folder we have, so we have this, it is coming in under folder, so I can check whether the theme is available. Okay, so it is available. Okay, so under the folder we have all the components of theme, and we can simply go to the root and we can delete this zip file that is going to save our hosting space. Okay, fine. Coming back to the themes screen, we have now Crocal as another theme option, and we can check the details. This is Crocal version 2.0.9 as on date. This is being the latest version with me. When you will order the theme by following the video description link, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and the feature will remain almost same. The Crocal is a super user friendly yet ultra powerful multi-purpose WordPress theme. Its philosophy in the back end as well as in the front end allows users to design sites which lead to awesomeness and nothing less. Okay, that is fine. So we can simply activate the theme. Okay, so this is the welcome page, and first of all we need to check the system status whether everything is fine for installation. Yes, it is all green, and as I said, we are using WordPress optimized hosting plan, and you can also have the same. So this is the status, and further we have some options, but I can see we have this alert to install necessary plugins. First of all, we have to install these plugins in order to get the complete functionality of this theme. So what I can see, it is a Crocal extension. It is a maybe the core plugin that has been developed by the theme developer itself. It is pre-packed and it is required, of course. And I can see WP Bakery page builder is here. This theme uses WP Bakery page builder, contact form 7, and Crocal demo importer, invite to market, and the revolution slider for hero images. And this theme also supports the WooCommerce, that is means you can create e-commerce website using this theme. So we have multiple options, so we can see all these things. So like this is the e-commerce option, shop with sidebar and all. So it is all good. That is fine. I'll show you once we complete our installation. Let us go to the screen, and here we have to install all these plugins. So I'll choose to install all these plugins, and it may install all these marked plugins in one go. I have selected install and clicking on apply. So let us say if it works, it is going to install all the required and recommended plugins as well. So this screen is going to take some time. Okay, wonderful. It is complete. It did not took any time for me, at least. It hardly took 5 seconds. Yes. So let us come back to the plugin installer screen, and this is time when we can activate all the installed plugins, and that also can be done in a single click. So I have selected all, now activating all the installed plugins. Okay, so it is activating plugin. Meanwhile, I can read this message: always make sure that fully updated and while avoid complimentary issues. Okay, so that is fine. So all is activated, and now we are fine to move on the next step. All these plugins have been installed successfully, and we can now further check the status and the custom sidebars. That is not required. Okay, so this is just a welcome page for the HubSpot. We can decline this message, and we can further come to the welcome page, and custom sidebars we can check. It is not required for now. We can go for import demos. Since we have installed the theme, we have installed the plugins, this is time when we can take a look up our website, and even we can import the demo. Okay, so Hotlock is just a default name that was used earlier, so I'll fix it first. Okay, so I can go to the dashboard. It is not for you, it was coming from my previous installation. I will simply change the settings. It may be also helpful for you just in case. So this is WP themes, and it has over 1000 plus video on themes, plugins, and how to guides, so you can follow those videos as well. You can compare themes, you can find plugins, and you can understand how to make websites and how you can install themes and how you can change the feature on this channel. So I will request to subscribe this channel and press the bell button so that you never miss any updates coming from this channel. Okay, fine. So I am here again, and now I can show you the website. That is how it is looking. Okay, so this is Crocal, and it is using no skin as of now. No demo is here, so we can proceed further for importing the demo. And now we have option Crocal main and Crocal intro, and here we have to choose what we actually want to import. So this is very good, and this is these are the options. We can import any of these websites. Import to one page of Crocal, one of the most impressive and demonstration page marketplace, several sample pages and layouts to get inspired. Okay, so I can check. I believe this is okay. So this is being imported, and we can choose this one. So, and this is third one, digital experience. So we can choose a fitness photographer and the startup wedding app. And what should I choose? Digital experience is also here, blog, design studio and architecture. So I'll choose this very first one, considering it the default. You can choose any of these pre-made website as per your requirement and choice. So I'm choosing this very first one just to understand. So we have this option, select import options, and here is the import option. Okay, pages, import on demand, it is good. Download images from live demo, and so I can see in this demo import option, this is a really very good interface through which we can import the desired pages. So it rarely available to select the pages that we actually want to import one by one, and we can decide whether we want to import all pages and pages versions. So it is really good. And if you are not willing to select, you can select the complete import option also. So import full demo, Crocal main, and we can, if you are willing to import the main one, you can have this, and we can further check all these options, download images from live demo, widgets and theme options, dummy content, and we can go with this. So it is up to you what actually you want to select. And don't forget to check this button, download images from live video, if you are using this option. And I'm using this second option through which I can get all the demo content in one go. So I have already selected all these things, and now clicking on import full demo. Let us see how it works. And now the progress bar is showing, I mean the wheel is rotating, and it is showing the time consumed, time lapsed. And don't close the browser or navigate away until the demo import is going on. Okay, so it is attachment imported. Okay, so it is showing the status as well. So 10 out of 476 attachment here you can see has been imported for now, and it is going to take time, of course. So your due patience is required on this screen. Don't hit the back button, don't refresh the page. However, you can use another tabs. So we are going to get all these things, I believe, and these are the inner sections, and I can see the pages. So I can see the about us page. It is really good. So all pages have been crafted very professionally, and these pages are going to present our website content very specifically, and we can use these ready to use pages. So it is really okay. So okay, so inner pages are really awesome. So we can use these unique pages. This is actually a creative theme, and it has multiple pages, and we can have parallax backgrounds and all such things for our website. It is really very good, and it is a good one. So you can explore all these pages, you can find your desired pages, and you can use directly those pages to your website. And finally, I got this wonderful message. It is really a cool message for me. It is simply saying import completed. So I must tell you one thing, during the import the system encountered some error, and there was a button. I cannot replicate that. There was a button called try again, and I kept clicking on that button. I believe 3 or 4 times. I repeated the process, but the best thing was that it was not duplicating the data. It was simply appending the data. That means importing only the new content every time then when I attempt it. So now it is showing import completed, and I can see the total 476 images was supposed to import, and here I can see 444 media items and rest of pages. I mean total 476 items are here, and it is really nice that we have got all the media contents here. So basically we are much concerned about the media of the really media used in this demo is really very good, and you can use these media files directly at your website. It is really cool. So all 444, it is really a big number. So media contents are here, and now I can check how many pages we have received in this demo import, and then I'll show you. Okay, so it is showing the about me versions, 106 pages. Okay, it is really again a big number. So we got all the about us page, internal pages are here. I can show you very quickly which pages are here. Buttons, contact us in all versions, and fancy box I can see. And on the next page, the Google grid home page, the front page is here, so I can further check. So it is okay. So parallax background, portfolio, gallery uses, portfolio and all. On the 5th page I can see the services in all versions and the slider on, and on the 7th page. Okay, so it is really 106 pages are here, and I believe we have got multiple posts as well. Yes, so 14 posts are here for demo content, and now for which we all are eager to see the home page, the website that we created in this process, the demo website. Yes, it is here, and it is smoothly loading. Wonderful. And we got this complete website. It is complete in every respect, and we have completed the installation without any doubt. Okay, it is really cool. So it is really first time I have seen this. So this is really a hamburger menu which is very interactive, and it is showing the contact and rest of details once we click on this button. That is really cool. So, and we got the demo pages like construction and all. So I believe this is not okay. So we have this home page, and we have internal pages as well. So I selected to import the main demo, and as I said, you can select any of the demo. I can show you again just to recall the discussion. So I imported the main demo, while you have all the options what you actually want to import at your website for your website. So if you are importing the main demo, it is going to take time, of course, but I believe you rarely need this main demo and all the pages. And as we seen in during our demo import process, we can selectively import the pages that we want for our website. So it is really a very interactive process. So since the import options gives us option to import selective pages, and accordingly the contents will be imported, so you can select your desired home page, and only those elements will be imported at your installation, of course. So we have completed this installation, and we got this wonderful website, and I like this very much. Okay, So now it is time when I can show you the tabs and features that we got in this installation very quickly, but it is really very important. So first of all, I'll show you the Crocal. So the theme options, maybe here the custom sidebars, and the import we have already used custom codes just in case if you want to use this, it is available. And the font manager is here, so you can choose your desired font, you can change the fonts, and font overview is here. So if you are using any custom font type fonts and all, okay, so you can export this. And theme plugins, so these are the options that we have at this here, this option, and the theme options, that is going to be the control panel. I believe I can see. Okay, so this is the control panel of theme, and I can briefly show you what these brings. So under general settings, we have the container size and color settings, background image and all, and we can set the logos here. We can upload the logo using this logo option. Theme loader, it is preloaded, we can enable and disable it. Style fonts, style options, top bar options, so top bar area, top bar options, we can enable, disable. Header options, in the header option we have a sticky header option, responsive header options, hidden menu options, so we can control all these elements at our website. Similarly, footer options, so sticky area, footer bar made area, and footer widget settings are here. And blog options, single post setting, and page options, we can go for page settings and all. So page area can be decided, and we can go for these options. There are many options that we can export for our pages. And next I can see the portfolio options, so there are multiple settings, WooCommerce settings, external plugin support, so this is a single event setting. Okay, it is really a new thing for me as well. So you can explore all these options, what actually you want for your website. And BBPress typography, so completely font is in your control. Header fonts, title, description, feature section, and extras. And the responsive typography is here, so responsive first group, responsive second group, social media icons, utilities. Further, the theme performance, you can enhance the performance by creating the dynamic CSS in a file. Media options, search options, map options, 404, coming soon. Okay, so coming soon mode is also available, just in case if when you are creating your website you can enable this. Privacy and cookies, so this is really again a very important thing. Cookies block setting, it is internally available, you don't need any external plugin for showing the cookies and all. CSS and miscellaneous settings and import export. Okay, so this was very interactive and very comprehensive theme settings that we have. Next I can say the portfolio items. So portfolio items at your website is to be handled from this area. I'll show you how it looks. So I must tell you one thing, when you are not using any of these items or all of these items, you have to trash these elements. Whatever you are not using throughout your website from the demo content, you have to delete those elements, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine. And this is one of the portfolio page, so you can definitely set all these things. So this is, you can add new portfolio categories. And similarly, testimonials items are here, so you have to control the testimonial section from here. And the area items, this is also very good. And the footer and the footer area is to be controlled from here. Basically this is for controlling the footer, this is area, and also footer is to be controlled from here. I repeat, footer is to be handled from this section. Okay, so now I can see the HubSpot is just for marketing activities at your website. You can connect the HubSpot's account, and you can further automatically synchronize the contact from 7, and it can go directly to your HubSpot account. Okay, that is good. And fine. And next I can see the WooCommerce is also here, just in case if you are running the e-commerce website. And for the Crocal demos, so it is well available here, as we have seen in the main menu, and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can edit the page content. So since this theme uses WP Bakery as a page builder, you can simply load the page, open the page that you want to edit, and simply click on the edit with the WP Bakery page builder. What is important, what you have to keep in mind, you have to use the same dimension of image that has been used in the demo content, and same length of text as well. So this is the demo website, and you can edit the content simply by clicking the pencil icon. So you have to use same length of text, same dimension of image. This is very important to maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest of things can be easily handled through this page builder, and you can change the text and all. Okay, so I can show you the revolution slider section. So if you are going to edit the hero image area, you have to edit the hero image area from this revolution slider. Since this particular installation, I mean the main home, is not using any slider, so this is not, no item is being displayed here. When you will be you shall be importing another demos, it may be required for your installation. Okay, so all is fine, and you can also use the backend editor for editing the content, and I believe you'll be able to handle all these things at your installation. This is the backend, and you can add or remove sections wherever you want. So I believe this video remained helpful, and you'll be able to handle all these elements at your website, your installation. Just in case if you need any support, we are just a click away. Write in the comment section of this video or join the iCreate program. It is a very interactive program, and you can also schedule free chats with mentor. So it is really very important when you are deciding anything about your business here, basically for your website, of course. So you can discuss the WordPress experts and schedule a chat here. You can connect a mentor for your website project, and a mentor can guide you well which theme actually, this theme or any other theme you should use or not, what is your project details. So just connect with mentor, and you can directly join the program as well for making your complete website. So it is really going to be very helpful for you, and I believe you are going to create a wonderful website using this Crocal WordPress theme, and just we create it in this video. And in the next video, I'm coming with another WordPress resource, theme, plugin, or how-to guide through which you can really create wonderful websites. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.